So good. So far, we have also installed the Cisco packet tracer, and here it says. So now we want to install this Cisco packet tracer to our computing device. So remember that we have downloaded it. Now here is the process of installing it. So we need to go to Cisco packet tracer. So double click on it. So as soon as you double click on it, it will ask you, do you want to allow the application to make changes? You say yes. So as soon as you said yes here, you will see that it will also give you a space where we agree to the license. So we also agree. Then we say next. So as soon as you say next, we say next again. So here it will not ask you this question, but because of I have it before, I want to also install a new one. So we say okay. Then move on to next. Move on to next. But here, remember, as soon as I'm finishing this installation, you don't need to use internet to do what to install this. Why I'm using internet to install this is because of the types of version of recording tools I'm using. So that's why, but if I also install it, it will redirect me to somewhere else. But here is in final installation. So as soon as you get to final installation, install it. Remember I said you should not use your what? Your internet. Do not connect the internet when you're installing this. So do the final installation. So after this, we'll leave it as it's installing. So in a few seconds, it should be done installing. So I should pay attention. So here it's now installing. Please, you don't need, so as soon as you downloaded this packet tracer, you don't need to use your internet, connect to internet when you're installing it in your computing device. So let's hold on a bit. So here it's about to finish. So as he has also concluded, so we'll say finish. So as soon as we say finish, it will redirect us to somewhere else. So here is it. I say finish. So you need to also check to, as you say finish, it will ask you, would you like to run multiple users when application starts? You say yes, then the packet tracer will open. So thank you for watching. So see you on the next tutorial.